Hi, my name is Khurram Arif. I am having more than 16 years of experience in information technology industry involved in networks and DevOps engineering, information and cyber security management system, infrastructure architecture design, IT network project management and Amazon cloud architecture. Moreover, while my on-the-job experience has afforded me a well-rounded skill set, including first-rate planning and project management abilities. I have obtained the below certification to grow my professional career. CCNA, CCIE, CAHV8, ISO 27001, AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, Palo Alto ASPAN, CISM, Microsoft Azure Administrator.